Can I reserve a hotel room?
I assure you that's not a problem. What is your full name, please?
My name's John Sandals.
It's a pleasure to assist you. Please tell me when you'll be needing the room, sir.
If my plans don't change, I'll need a room April 14th till April 17th.
Sir, our room prices are slightly higher than you may have thought. Will that be okay?
Tell me how much it will be, and I can tell you if it's okay.
Only $308 per night, before taxes, of course.
$308 a night? That's a fair price.
Now, as for the room, sir, do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Non-smoking. Now, sir, does a single queen-size bed meet your approval?
I have absolutely no problem with that.
Queen, non-smoking. Okay, sir, your room is reserved. Now, if you'll just give me your phone number.
Not a problem. The number is 626-555-1739.
Thank you for making a reservation with us. We look forward to seeing you in April.